Pancha Paschimuttanasana, Shat Halasan, 3, 4. See, the gap has increased, right? The side stretch. Do the twist first. Your right palm forward, left hand opening. 1, 2, 3. Anyone has a question? क्या होगा दर्शन करके? किसी के पास ये क्वेश्चन है क्या? दर्शन करके होगा क्या? क्या मिलेगा? 2. Okay, all are mature. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhaling, come back, exhale, release. Okay. The right leg has to kick up, up, up and put it on the shoulders. Not changing. Left leg? Okay, ठीक है. So get your left leg up. So inside, yeah. Kick up. 1, 2, 3. It's not about perfection at all. It's about your honesty. That's it. I'm not looking at your perfection. I'm looking at your eyes, how devoted you are in your practice. 6, 7. Now hold on with opposite hand. Hold on with your opposite hand. Yes, correct. Take this hand down and just hold it. Close your eyes and Ishta Devata Darshan. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Okay, lie down on your mat. Lie down on your mat. Tadasana on the mat. Feet together, interlace the fingers. Tadasana on the mat. On the supine position, interlace the fingers over the head. Interlacing the fingers over the head, stretch completely away. Palms facing back. Palms facing back. Palms facing back. Interlace the fingers. Palms facing back. Stretch the hands. Stretch the legs at the same time. Stretching your legs. Point the toes. Holding here. 1, 2. Point the toes. Class. Point your toes. 3, 4. My legs are paining. I am not able to do my standing asana. See, the standing asana is coming on the bed. 3, 4, 5. Lift up to Paschimuttanasana. 1, 2. Come on, lift up. 3, 4. Paschimuttanasana. Paschimuttanasana and Halasana. Exhale, Halasana. You don't have to hold your toes. Paschimuttanasana, exhale. Inhale and exhale to Halasana. Very good. Inhale and exhale to Paschimuttanasana. Exhale, Halasana. Pancha Paschimuttanasana. Shat Halasan. Sapta Paschimuttanasana. Ashtau Halasan. Nava Paschimuttanasana. Hold here. 1, hold. Get your head between your arms and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep your legs active, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift your head to Janu Sirsasana. Bend the left knee, bending the left knee, engaging the right leg. Extend the right hand forward and open the left hand. Side opening, side opening. 1, lift, lift the chest. 2, lift, don't sink down. 2, 3, from here take the right hand inside to left and left hand over the head. Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on, hold on, hold on there. 1. Get your right elbow inside the right thigh. And if you're comfortable to hold the foot, then you hold it and take your head inside. Otherwise, you just hold here. 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Change the leg. The left leg is forward. Which leg is forward? Left. Now from here, Janu Sirsasana, side stretch. Extend the left hand forward. Open the right hand. Lift the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend the hand and change the direction of your left hand to right knee. Left palm to right knee. Left palm to right knee. Pulse. 1. Start pulsing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on wherever you can hold. 1. Again, not necessary you can touch your foot, and that's not important. That's not at all important. The lateral stretch is important, which gives the space for the spinal cord, the vertebrae. So lateral stretch, give importance to lateral one. Inhaling and come back. Exhale, release and relaxed. What is this lateral stretch? So you want to release your back pain, okay? And why the back pain is happening? Why there is a back pain? Because the vertebrae, this is the vertebrae, okay? And there is a cushion in between. This is your cushion. And you do unnecessary things to misuse your cushion. Clear? You may go for a run, you may go for long sitting hours and chatting or whatever work, but you don't know how to do your practice for the spinal cord. And then what is the upaya? What is the solution? The solution is to separate this. Do not give pressure on the lower one. You have to take the weight away. How will you do that? How will you do that? You take the body weight up and take the body weight down. So this has to go further down and this has to go further up. So when I was saying that do Tadasana on the floor, on the mat, what most of you are doing, you were stretching this but you were not stretching this. How this gap will come? If you just move this away and both are attached at a point, if you do not stretch this area, how the gap will come? And how will you reduce the back pain? Tell me. So both the body are equally important. Now, the second option is the side one. Only when you stretch the side, it gets space. So you lengthen this one, you do this. See, the gap has increased, right? The side stretch. How the best way to understand, see the side. But if you do this, so what you are doing? You are doing this. I am asking you to do this because the idea is to release your vertebrae, not doing a curve. The posture is not important. The body is important. So when you were doing a side stretch, can we do this? This looks far better, right? But what is this? And this is dead. That's your sense organ observing the wrong message.